Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am your science teacher, Ms. Samreen Iqbal. I am recording this lecture which is related to the revision of all the final term chapters. So let's start from the first chapter, that is about measurement and physical quantities. Measurements are those observations which can be either qualitative or quantitative. For example, Ali's tall is a qualitative observation, while Ali's height is 2 meter. That is a quantitative observation. So in science, quantitative observations are often used because they are objective, precise, and can be clearly communicated. These quantities are usually measured according to the standard procedures with the help of instruments. In everyday activities and scientific inquiry, we often need to make estimations as well as accurate measurements of quantities such as length, area, volume, mass, and time. These all are quantities that we are measuring in everyday our life. So let's come towards the physical quantities. A physical quantity is a quantity which can be measured and used in the mathematical equation of science and technology. Are length, area, volume, mass, and time physical quantities? In the past, methods of measuring physical quantities were inaccurate and different. It is units. Measurements were used in different parts of the world. पुराने ज़माने में जो फ़िज़िकल क्वांटिटीज़ को मेजर किया जाता था वो इनएक्यूरेट होता था और डिफरेंट यूनिट्स के होता था, क्योंकि उसमें जो हम चीज़ें यूज़ कर रहे होते थे मेजरमेंट्स के लिए, इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स यूज़ कर रहे होते तो वो इनएक्यूरेट होते थे. ठीक है, कौन कौन से होते थे? आवर ग्लास, हैंड स्पैन, जार, बैलेंस, आर्म लेंथ. दीज आर दी फिज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स विच कैन बी यूज्ड इन द पास्ट. ठीक है, नाउ today, accurate measurements are obtained by using better methods and instruments like measuring cylinder, electronic balance, stopwatch, meter ruler, mercury thermometer. These are accurate and better instruments. That's why we are using in everyday life. Let's come towards the SI unit, single system of units called the SI unit or international system of units. This system evolved from the metric system. अब उन quantities को measure करने के लिए कुछ symbols allot कर दिए गए हैं. Only SI units should be used in science as this is the international standard. ये worldwide SI units को use किया जाता है. Some physical quantities are there with their symbols and units like mass, kilogram, kg, time, second S, length, meter M, temperature, Kelvin K, km, S, kg. These are the symbols, and the second one are the SI units. Electric current, ampere, A is the symbol, power, watt, W is the symbol, resistance, ohm, and that was the symbol. Frequency, hertz, Hz is the symbol, charge, coulomb, C is the symbol. So these are the physical quantities with units and symbols that we are using for measuring the physical quantities. Now come towards the measuring length. How we measuring length? You can see the instruments here from measuring tapes, from meter ruler और half meter ruler and from vernier calipers. ठीक है, इनमें से हम measuring tapes को, meter rule को थोड़ा long distance के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और vernier caliper जो है वो हम short distances के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. Okay, now next we have measuring area and measuring volume. Measuring area is actually the extent of a surface. The SI unit of area is the square meter. Other common units of area include square millimeter, square centimeter, and square kilometer. You can also see the symbols here. ठीक है, only one square meter is the area of a square which measures 1 m on every side. 1 m जो square meter है वो एक हर साइड पे 1 मीटर जो है वो उसको मेजर किया जाता है. एरिया को मेजर करने के लिए भी वी हैव सम रेगुलर सरफेसेस एंड सम इरेगुलर सरफेसेस. ठीक है, come towards the measuring volume. Volume is a measure of the space occupied by a substance. The SI unit of volume is the cubic meter. 1 cubic meter is the volume of a cube with length of 1 m. As it is a rather large volume, smaller units such as cubic centimeter, cubic millimeter, liter, and milliliter are commonly used in daily life, and it is also be used by some of the measuring instruments like cylinders, pipette, burette. These all are the measuring instruments. Okay, now come towards the next. that is about measuring mass. The mass of a substance is the measure of the amount of matter in it. The SI unit of mass is the kilogram. You can see the instruments here and electronic balance and reading on the electronic balance. यहाँ पे इसकी रीडिंग देखी जाती है, ठीक है, और ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैलेंस है, इससे जो है वो किसी भी मास को, वेट को मेजर किया जाता है. Okay, now come towards the chapter number 2.